Pteridophytes. Pteridophytes include horsetails and ferns. Pteridophytes used for medical purposes and as soil binders. They are also frequently grown as ornamentals. Evolutionarily, they are first terrestrial plants to possess vascular tissues, xylem and phloem. You shall study more about these in chapter 6. The pteridophytes are found in cool, damp, shady places, though some may flourish well in sandy soil conditions also. You may recall that in bryophytes, the dominant phase in the life cycle is gametophytic plant body. However, in pteridophytes, the main plant body is sporophyte, which is differentiated into true roots, stems and leaves. These organs possess well differentiated vascular tissues. The leaves in pteridophytes are small, microphytes are in Selaginella. The large macrophytes are in ferns. The sporophytes bear sporangia that substituted by a leafy-like appendage called sporophyll. In some cases, sporophylls may form distinct compact structures called strobili or cones. Example, Selaginella and Equisept. Sporangia produces spores by meiosis in spore mother cells. The spores germinate to give rise to inconspicuous, small but multicellular, free-living, mostly photosynthetic thalloid gametophytes called prothallus. These gametophytes require cool, damp, shady places to grow. Because of this specific restricted requirement and the need of water for fertilization, the spread of living pteridophytes is limited and restricted to narrow geographical regions. Gametophytes bear male and female sex organs called antheridia and archegonia, respectively. The water is required for transfer of antherozoites, male gamete released from the antheridia to the mouth of archegonium. Fusion of male with the egg present in the archegonium results in the formation of the zygote. Thereafter produces a multicellular well-differentiated sporophyte, which is dominant phase of pteridophytes. In majority of the pteridophytes, all the spores are similar in kind. They are known as homosporous. Genera like Selaginella salvina, which produces two kinds of spores, which are large macro and small microspores, are known as heterotrophs because two different kinds of spores, hetero. The megaspores, large, and microspores, smaller, germinate to give rise to female macro and male gametophytes of micro, respectively. The female gametophytes in these plants are retained on the parented sporophytes for variable period. Development of zygotes into the young embryo takes place within the female gametophytes. This event is a precursor to the seed habit, considering an important step in evolution. The pteridophytes are further classified into four classes: Coleopsida group, Coleoptera; Lycopsida, Selaginella and Lycopodium; Spinopsida, Equiseptum; Pteropsida, including Dryopteris, Adiantum. This represents the Selaginella. Actually, it has microphytes, very small leaves, and the beside one is Equiseptum, and this is the ferns which has macrophyllus. Last one is Salvinia.